Once again, AutoCAD proves that the Earth is not flat. According to Google, the distance from Grandmere State Park to 875 North Michigan Avenue is 89.55 kilometers. The green curve shows the curvature of the Earth. I made it 90 kilometers long. "875 North Michigan Avenue is a skyscraper in Chicago. According to Wikipedia, it is 344 meters high. I assume that it is also higher when you take into account that its height is not measured from sea level. The white rectangle represents a skyscraper above sea level, 344 meters high. I almost forgot the radius of the circle between the two poles. It benefits flat earthers. (6,362.5 kilometers). Here Grandmere State Park is 90 kilometers away. Green dots indicate a 90-degree angle. I need to touch the beginning of the line so I can follow the angle of the white line that extends to the center of the curve. As you can see, 89.19 degrees. The line is 1.8 meters, which would show a man standing on the beach. I draw another line which I attach to the tangent of the green curve. Shows the distance to the horizon, which is 4.78 kilometers. Now we will attach the line to the top of the skyscraper. The view goes through the sea. Is the Earth really flat? Let's see how much our view goes into the sea. We will draw a new line between the intersection of the curve and the view. By marking the line, we can see the middle of the line. By selecting midpoint, our pointer sticks to the middle of the line. Our view goes 32 meters through the water. Let's create a new line and attach it to the tangent of the green curve. Now we will extend the line to see how far the skyscraper is below sea level. Again, I have to touch the beginning of the line to extend it at the original angle. There is no transition below the green curve. The top of the skyscraper is 227 meters below our view. Oh my god, the Earth is really flat. Just kidding. As Wikipedia says, Grandmere State Park is 177 meters high. Let's draw the land 177 meters above the sea. We will paint it yellow. Now let's draw a new line, which represents a man 1.8 meters tall, standing on top of 177 meters. I changed the precision of the measurement, now it shows 1.80 meters. Now we will draw a new line of sight to the horizon in red. We will attach it again to the tangent of the circle. We will draw another same line for comparison. We have two lines. We will mark one line, in order to extend it to Chicago. If we see green dots in the extension, it means that it will stick at a 90-degree angle, and we don't want that. Again, I have to touch the beginning or end of the line to extend it at the same angle. You can see that the green dots are over the line and do not continue over the cursor. I mark both lines to show you that they are equally aligned. No matter how close I get, the lines go over each other and merge into a curve. Now we see that the Chicago skyscraper is geometrically visible from Grandmere State Park from 90 kilometers or 57 miles away. A skyscraper in Chicago that is 344 meters above sea level is hidden from the horizon by 141 meters. But we can still see 203 meters of skyscrapers. Let's not forget that the skyscraper in Chicago is raised above sea level. And in the drawing it starts from sea level. So in reality we can see more or maybe even all of it. Inspired by this picture, which clearly shows that it was taken from a certain height. And not from the beach.
This photograph of Chicago was taken almost 60 miles away from Grand Mere State Park in Michigan. On a spherical Earth, this would be impossible. Using the Pythagorean theorem and the current dimensions of the Earth, the top of the tallest skyscraper should be 900 feet below the observable horizon.
Which is true if you are standing on the beach by the sea. As shown at 5:25 in this video.
Local news explained this anomaly by claiming the image was a mirage.
No
mirage,
just geometry. Let me know what you think in the comments below.